So for this Pascal triangle, we're going to fill out using combination notation. All right, so for the very first one, we'll call it row 0. This will be row 1, that will be row 2, this will be row 3, this will be row 4, and so on. So we have 5, 6, and then down to 7. Okay, the very top, the very first one, is going to be 0, choose 0. The second one is going to be 1, choose 0, and then 1, choose 1. Next one's going to be 2, choose 0, and then 2, choose 1, and then 2, choose 2. 3, choose 0, 3, choose 1, 3, choose 2, and then 3, choose 3, and so on. So finish filling it up. So when you're done, it will look like this. Now I want you guys to grab your other Pascal triangle, because I gave you guys 2 of them, and we're going to not fill it in using combination notation. We're going to fill it in like for what each of these actually equal. Okay, so let me give myself some space to work here. You guys have to do the whole thing. I'm just giving myself some space to work. I'm going to erase this top one right here, and let's figure that one out. That was 0, choose 0, 0, choose 0. Now I want you guys to write all this out because I want you to practice the formula. You guys got to get used to this formula. No, you can write it on scratch paper, but on your new triangle, I want you guys to fill in what the numbers actually are. So on the top it's 0 factorial, on the bottom it's 0 minus 0 factorial times 0 factorial. Now, this is not that exciting. Do you guys know what 0 factorial is? It's 1, that's correct. And on the bottom we also get 1, so this is just 1. And so up here you fill in a 1. Okay, and then let's see. I'm gonna kind of skip around, but you guys got to do all of them. I'm gonna do this one right here. Let's do 2, choose 1. Okay, so this one's gonna be 2, choose 1. Let's see, 2, choose 1. That equals. We'll put 2 factorial on the top, and what do we get on the bottom? That's 2 minus 1 factorial times 2 factorial. So on the top, we still have 2 factorial. On the bottom we get 1 factorial times 2 factorial. And 1 factorial, that's not going to do anything. So let's just cross them out. Oh look, 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. What's that going to be? Uno! I know, you guys are waiting for it. You're excited. You're all, oh, uno! No, is that right? Oh, I totally did it wrong. You guys didn't catch me? Oh my goodness. This is wrong right here. What should that be? That should be 1 factorial. You crazy, Mr. Beatty. So that's 1 factorial. Okay, so that doesn't equal 1. Oh, what happened there? That equals, let's see, 2 over 1, which is just 2. Okay, gotta fix that. Whoops, sorry about that. Okay, so that's a 2 right there. And then I'll do one more with you guys. We'll do this one right here. Okay, let me make some space. I'll color that right there. This one is, we'll do green, that's fine. Okay, what was it? 4, choose what? 2. And so we have 4 factorial on the top. Underneath, 4 minus 2 factorial, and then 2 factorial. So on the top we have, let's do this. This is 2 factorial right there. So on the top we have 4 factorial over 2 factorial times 2 factorial. So if I expand it, it'll be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. On the bottom we have 2 times 1 and times 2 times 1. And that 2 and the 1 could cancel those out. This 2 is going to cancel out with that 4, so that's 2 now. So what's my answer? 6. And that 6 right there will totally mess up the pattern that you think it's going to be at first. Alright, so go ahead and get into your teams and figure the pattern out. Now, you can use the combinations formula right here, the choose formula. Some people call it the choose formula, to fill out the rest of the Pascal's triangle. But there is a faster way to do it, and to do that, see, I'm going to clear everything here. Or here, let me erase everything. Okay. To fill it all out, you would start with the ones at the top, and then there's ones going down the sides. You need to know that. And then to fill out the rest of them, you just have to add the two numbers that are right above it. And so the number that would go in this spot is 2. So once you have a 2 there, then you would go 1 plus 2, and that would be 3. Oops. And this would be 3. And then you go 1 plus 3, which is 4. 3 plus 3, that's 6. And 3 plus 1, that's 4. And so on. So this would be 5, that would be 10, 10, and then 5. This would be 6, this would be 15, this would be 20, that's 15 right there, and then 6, 7, 21, 35, 35, and then 15 and 6, that's 21, and then 6 and 1. Okay, and don't forget, when you are counting the rows, it starts at row 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you could use these rows for the binomial theorem. Instead of having to do the combinations or the choose formula, you could use Pascal's triangle. So, for example, if it was x plus y raised to the 5th power, for the 5th power, you would use this row right here, just using the numbers, and use those to multiply to each term to find to find out what the expanded form of this is. And also, I hope that you notice some patterns, like 6 right here is mirrored over here by this 6, and this 15 is mirrored by that 15. They mirror each other from left to right. And that's Pascal's triangle.